Next question. Thank you very much for the shiur. Should we share copies here of the books where we study from? If there are some students that don't have some of these books, our friend also clarified that these copies mean like digital copies, like scanned at home.
Like take a picture of a page. That's
scan them or take a picture. Yes.
Actually, we cannot, because it says in the beginning of the book, so all rights reserved. So don't copy. Basically, on one hand, since you bought the book, you can do whatever you want with that. So nobody can tell you, right, what to do. But on the other hand, what I'm trying to say, it's not such an easy question. So I would say, because they would hold you liable, so they would not forgive you, right? So if you make a copy, because it's Parnasah of a person, and you see that the books, if you buy, especially English books from art school, they're very not expensive, very, very cheap books. I mean, cheap meaning not very expensive. So, and just to make the books and the quality of the books. So you understand that don't make a lot of money, and publisher makes money. So, and if you see how much author makes money, I don't know, maybe $5 per book. That's my guess. Like, not a lot, but to write these books, and especially in this art scroll, you see all the notes on the bottom, like how much work went into it. It's, I don't know how many years, and actually saw the video of Rabbi Zlatovitz, that's all. So it's not years, but it was they finished the shots in 20 years, which is, I don't know how it's possible, right? And all other books they do as a team, but it's a lot of investment, a lot. So now by us depriving them from these authors like $5, that's not fair. So if you have such a people who cannot afford books, so it's proper for us to send them books, to buy books for them. It would be much proper and than to send photocopies. And plus, I think many of the books, if I understand correctly, I'm not sure if all, but many of them are available in a digital format from ArtScroll. So if you download the applications and check, I think that like maybe $10, $8, $7. So very, very cheap, and you can get this digital version. And I think it's this version. I'm talking about Talmud for sure. So you can highlight things, you can do your notes, like fancy schmancy applications. So same as I guess I'm not I don't download books, but from them, if you buy, you can get whatever you want. So maybe it would be cheaper for a person like that who cannot afford the whole book, like paper copy. Just buy a digital copy, the whole book. Right. And free delivery, I guess. Yeah, free delivery. Also, yeah. Go ahead, please.
Yes. Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.
Okay.